Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the exact PSN account that bought PlayStation Plus. Once signed in, navigate straight to account information and open PlayStation subscriptions. This is where billing controls live. You do this now so you stop future charges as soon as possible. Make sure to note the next billing date and plan term. If you see auto-renew enabled, choose the subscription entry. This first action prevents new charges while preserving any remaining access until expiry. Once you select the PlayStation Plus subscription, decide whether to turn off auto-renew or request an immediate cancellation/refund. Turn off stops future billing, but keep service until the period ends, which is often preferable. If you want money back, prepare the transaction ID and details because refunds follow Sony's refund policy and are case by case. Use the web account management or PlayStation app for the same steps, and make sure to record the confirmation screen or email. It speeds and you finish by confirming the cancellation and checking the confirmation email that lists the subscription expiry. If you need a refund, contact PlayStation support via chat or phone, provide the transaction ID, payment method, and concise reason for the refund. Refunds commonly take 3 to 5 business days. If the cancellation doesn't reflect, sign out of PSN, restart the console, and check the web portal. If refund is denied, escalate politely with support or dispute the charge with your card issuer as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.